Homeowners in East Northport, NY, are increasingly turning to modern door upgrades to improve energy efficiency, enhance comfort, and reduce utility costs. Today's doors are more than aesthetic features. They play a vital role in regulating indoor temperatures, preventing energy loss, and promoting a sustainable living environment. Let's explore how upgrading to modern, energy-efficient doors can transform your East Northport home. Advanced insulation for year-round comfort. One of the key advantages of modern doors is their superior insulation technology. Unlike older wooden or hollow core doors that allow drafts, modern doors feature high-density cores made of materials like polyurethane or foam insulation. These cores provide excellent thermal resistance, minimizing the transfer of heat and cold between indoor and outdoor spaces. In East Northport's variable climate, where winters can be chilly and summers humid, this enhanced insulation keeps indoor temperatures stable. Homeowners notice fewer cold drafts in the winter and reduced reliance on air conditioning in the summer, resulting in both comfort and cost savings. Energy-efficient glazing and weather stripping. Many modern doors incorporate advanced glazing and weatherproof sealing that further optimize energy performance. For example, doors with low emissivity glass panels reflect infrared light, helping retain indoor warmth during winter while blocking solar heat during summer. Double or triple pane glass options filled with inert gases like argon also improve insulation without compromising visibility or aesthetics. High-quality weather stripping seals the gaps around the door frame, preventing air leaks, a common source of energy loss in older homes. This tight seal ensures that conditioned air stays inside and external air stays out, maximizing HVAC system efficiency and reducing monthly energy bills. Sustainable materials and eco-friendly manufacturing. Modern door manufacturers are prioritizing sustainability by using eco-friendly materials and low-impact production processes. Many energy-efficient doors are made from recycled steel, fiberglass composites, or sustainably sourced wood. These materials not only reduce environmental impact but also last longer than traditional options, lowering the need for frequent replacements. Additionally, energy-efficient doors are often ENERGY STAR certified, meaning they meet federal standards for energy performance and sustainability. By choosing these certified options, East Northport homeowners contribute to a greener community while benefiting from reduced energy consumption. Lower utility bills and increased home value. One of the most immediate benefits homeowners notice after installing energy-efficient doors is a decrease in energy bills. Since the doors prevent air leakage and stabilize indoor temperatures, heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, leading to substantial energy savings over time. Moreover, energy-efficient upgrades enhance property value. East Northport buyers are increasingly aware of the importance of energy conservation, and homes with modern, insulated doors are often more appealing on the market. This makes door replacement not only an energy-saving measure but also a wise long-term investment. Enhanced indoor air quality and comfort. Energy-efficient doors do more than reduce energy waste, they also improve indoor air quality. The tight seals and modern materials help block outdoor pollutants, moisture, and allergens from entering the home. This is especially beneficial for families with respiratory sensitivities or allergies, ensuring a cleaner, healthier living environment year-round. Additionally, the insulation and noise-dampening features of modern doors create a more peaceful interior. Whether you live near busy East Northport streets or want to reduce indoor noise transfer, modern doors provide noticeable acoustic comfort. Aesthetic versatility meets functional performance. Today's energy-efficient doors are available in a variety of styles, finishes, and materials, allowing homeowners to balance performance with personal taste. Whether you prefer the natural warmth of wood grain fiberglass, the sleek look of steel, or a contemporary glass paneled design, there's an option that complements your home's architecture without sacrificing insulation or durability. Many East Northport homeowners also choose modern doors with smart lock technology, combining energy efficiency with advanced security and convenience, another hallmark of contemporary living. Conclusion: upgrading to modern, Energy-efficient doors is a smart investment for East Northport homeowners seeking comfort, savings, and sustainability. From improved insulation and noise reduction to lower utility costs and environmental benefits, these doors deliver long-term value in every sense. By choosing high-quality, energy-efficient models, residents can enjoy a more comfortable home while reducing their carbon footprint, proving that sustainability and style can beautifully coexist.